So here's an example of a two-step equation that I've had a lot of students curious about. We have the equation 3x plus 3 equals 7x plus 13. Remember, our goal is to get x completely by itself to see what value of x would make both equations, sides of the equation, equal. So our first step is you could start either way, either getting all the x's to one side or all the non-x's to one side. It doesn't really matter, but in this case, I end up getting all the x's to one side by taking the opposite operation. So since this is a positive 3x, since there's no operation or sign out front, we take the opposite, which is negative 3x, and whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. That way we cancel out, but we still are keeping that value there. From there, I just rewrite the problem where I now have this plus 3 equals 7x minus 3x gave me the 4x plus 13. So once again, that was just rewriting the equation. From there, my goal is to get x by itself. So in order to get this x by itself, I need to get rid of this number by itself over here. So taking the opposite of a plus 13 is a minus 13. Whatever I do to one side, once again, I also do to the other. Then I just rewrite my equation. So I've got negative 10 equals 4x because I did 3 minus 13 gives me negative 10. The 4x just moved down. Now I take the opposite operation, and since this 4 and the x are connected just like that with no operation in between, I know that's multiplication. Opposite of multiplication is division. Divide by 4, whatever I do once again to one side, have to do to the other. And I get negative 10 fourths x. From there, I could simplify this. I could divide them both by 2 and get negative 5 halves. Or I could write this as a negative 2.5 as well. Hope this helps. Check out the other videos.